Okay, so here's the final product to start. Start with a 3.5 by 2 Illustrator document and drop in your sample. And of course you have to scale it to size. And now I'll start making the square, which seems like everything's a little bit purple, so we went with a sort of dark shade of purple and make that into an outline. And then we make the circle, because circles are easy too. Get it lined up with the square, and then remember how to make a triangle. You have to use a little slider on the side of the box and line everything up as it's supposed to be. And it's good to go. Then we make another file, 3.5 by 2 again. This will be the back side. And we drop in our sample file, size it up, and start working on the little design that they've got going there. Check to make sure that you're using the same color as the front side so it all matches. And this is really just a set of concentric circles. There's the first one, and there's the second one. This hairline seemed to be best at 0.5 point, so that it actually shows up. So make sure that you use something at a reasonable size. Otherwise it won't print correctly on a business card, especially if they're using a lower quality print. Added in the phone number, which seems like a standard typewriter font that they just messed around with a little bit. And the standard purple that we're using for the stamp doesn't seem to work for the phone number, so I went with a darker purple for the phone number. And then of course you're going to want to add in your phone number, make it a text outline, and then fiddle around with the numbers so it looks like a typewriter did it. Finally, make an outline of the white shape and use Pathfinder to create a minus front. And you can print these at Vistaprint. Just search for craft business cards.